Hey fam, I want you to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/Roland S. Martin. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. All right, folks, let's talk about California. All across this country, we've seen these stories where massive fees have been piled upon poor people all across this country, preventing them from really living a good life. You saw what happened in Ferguson, where 3 out of 4 households, they actually had, they were ticketed for various different things. And then we see other fees being piled upon people in Georgia, Mississippi, and Alabama. Folks stealing something that was worth $20, and all of a sudden the fees amount to $2,000 and $3,000 on them. And so what happens is these courts out here also smacking some major charges to recoup the cost of supervising probation or even paying for a public defender. Well, what's part of the problem? If you're poor, you're a person of color, you can't actually pay all of those fees. Well, California State Senator Holly Mitchell, a Democrat from LA, she wants to change that and has a bill that speaks to that. Holly, how you doing?
I'm well. Great to see you and hear you, Roland. Thank you for having me on.
All right. So, Senator Mitchell, so first of all, what is the status of your bill, and how serious is this in California? How are people, poor folks there, impacted by these massive fees?
Well, California is no different. People are experiencing these fees piled on. You had a great explanation of how it happens. We were successful last year in introducing a bill, SB 190, that eliminated these fees for juveniles. The UC Berkeley Law School Clinic has done amazing research to really look at how counties are applying the fees inconsistently across the state. So we think that we have primed the pump, if you will, to create an opportunity to eliminate the fees across the state here in California. Yeah, because poor people are suffering disproportionately. People of color are suffering disproportionately.
Obviously, counties are setting these fees. So would this put the state in charge of, are you setting fees or are you eliminating fees?
We're eliminating the fees. We're eliminating fines and fees. And so the question, I happened to meet with a group of judges in my district office yesterday. And so their question is, a question of backfill. And will we then backfill some of the special programs that they're using these fees to pay for? And that's what gets us in the trick bag. They justify the fees by using the resources to pay for other services. Our theory is government is paid for by the people, by all the people, not just some of the people who are impacted by the criminal justice system. And so we will be open to having conversations about how some of the services that the fees pay for continue.
All right, then. Well, and of course, you also sponsored that bill that dealt with the issue of hair in California. Glad to see that got passed.
Yeah, well, it's not passed all the way through the process yet. It's SB 188, the Crown Act. We have gotten it through the Senate. It got off the Senate floor with no votes on Monday. And so we're looking forward to having the conversation with the Assembly. And basically what the bill does, the first of its kind in the country, that basically creates a protected class for natural hair and natural hairstyles. I am a lock wearer, so people who wear their hair in twists, locks, or braids can't lose their job or not be hired or not receive promotion. It will be included in the protective class category, just like race, age, and gender. So we think it's time that we redefine what professionalism looks like in the workplace. We all saw that horrible video of the young wrestler in high school in December who was attacked by that woman and had his locks cut. And so we're changing the law so schools can have policies saying young people can't wear their natural hair to school, nor can your employer. So we're looking forward to continuing the dialogue nationally about creating a space for Black natural hair in the workplace.
All right. Senator Holly Mitchell, we appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
All right, folks.
You want to support Roland Martin Unfiltered? Be sure to join our Bring the Funk fan club. Every dollar that you give to us supports our daily digital show. There's only one daily digital show out here that keeps it black and keep it real as Roland Martin Unfiltered. Support the Roland Martin Unfiltered daily digital show by going to RolandMartinUnfiltered.com. Our goal is to get 20,000 of our fans contributing $50 each for the whole year. You can make this possible. RolandMartinUnfiltered.com.